welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, in today's video, my fiance picked my makeup. I'm very excited. I have his answers, his replies, because I WhatsApp him. For those who didn't know, I'm in a long distance relationship and I'm getting married soon. It's very stressful, but anyway, my fiance's name is Ashraf, or you can call him Mark. So today Mark pilih my makeup, which I bagi dia option. I just ask him to choose. Itu pun I cheat a bit sebab ada some products yang I don't let him choose. But most of the products dia yang pilih. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. I'm gonna start with my primer, which primer dia tak pilih. And then I asked him to choose between Maybelline Fit Me and Essence Stay All Day 16 Hours, and dia pilih Maybelline Fit Me. To the concealer, I bagi the option between this Essence Stay All Day 16 Hours and Maybelline Edge Rewind. He chose this one. I love this concealer, it's very full coverage, but I tak pernah guna this concealer with Maybelline Fit Me, so I'm not sure if it's gonna turn okay. To set my face, I bagi dia pilihan between Makeup Forever HD Translucent Powder and Dark Translucent Powder. Dia pilih dark, of course. The next step, I suruh dia pilih my face palette between dark face palette and this Tarte Holiday Collection, sebab dalam this Holiday Collection dia ada face palette lah kan ni. Okay, so dia ada dia punya bronzer, highlight and blusher. He chose this one. which is not perfect, I know. Now I'm gonna go straight to the eyeshadow. He chose Huda Beauty over the Tarte Holiday Collection. These are the two options. Tapi dia pilih Huda Beauty. I'm going to set my face. I bagi dia pilihan sama ada Urban Decay All Nighter or this Bio Essence Miracle Bio Water, and he picked it, so why not? Okay, so the next one, I suruh dia pilih mascara between Silky Girl Big Eye and Tarte Lights Camera something, I don't remember. And he pilih Silky Girl, so Silky Girl it is. Oh wait, I need to curl my lashes. To choose between dark red hot Lorelei matte decisions and Zuko in the code Aurora, and he chose dark. agree with my fiance because I cannot pull off red lips with these eyes because I'm imagining a very pinkish tone. So I'm going to remove this and reapply a new lipstick. Be right back. Okay, so I cheat a bit because the dark red hot Lorelei is not, it doesn't look good with this eye makeup, so I changed my lip color. It's just that. Other than that, I used everything that he asked me to use. So this is the final look, the completed look. I really like his choice. I mean, the combination of this Fit Me and Essence concealer is very nice. I really like my base. I don't have problems with this face palette from Tarte because, as we all know, Tarte is very good. Of course, I love this by Essence. I use this as a toner, but it can be used as setting spray because it says here that it's ideal for face, which is to use after makeup for long-lasting and natural look. Of course, I love my dark, and that's basically it. I'm proud of my fiance because he knows me. He knows what I like, what's best for me. That's it for today's video. I'm gonna see you soon. Oh, excuse me, and I hope it's not too late to wish everyone Selamat Hari Raya. So, bye.